people, my name's Jen and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm so happy that you found us, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. Alright, so in my last video, we did the first half of my SHEIN haul, and so today we're going to look at all the charms I picked up. We're also going to organize them using my new organizer, which I have here, that I also picked up at SHEIN. So first we're going to look at all the little charms, which I, as always, am super impressed with, and like I can't help myself when I'm on that site. There's just so many cute charms. So yeah, let's get right into it. First up, I picked up these, they're actually Mermaid Tails, and they were actually in the jewelry section. As you can see, they have little holes in them. You get 20 pieces, so you get a really good amount, but I'm going to take them out of the bag and we'll look at them a little bit closer. So here is the charms. And as you can see, as I said, they have a little hole right there at the end because they are kind of advertised as jewelry, like as pendants or to make earrings with. But I thought they would be really cool in the nail. And you could easily fill that little hole with some matching gel, or you could put a little diamond there as like a little accent. There's lots of things you can do. Most people wouldn't even notice the hole anyway. So let's just take a look. They are a little bigger than I had originally thought they would be, and they do have quite a bit of overhang. So they are quite large on the nail, but I just thought they were so pretty. Yeah, they're not as small as I had hoped, but like I said, they are really pretty. And I'm sure I can find something else to do with them if I don't end up using them on my nails. But yeah, so those are the Mermaid Tails. The next thing I picked up are these gorgeous flowers. So they come in a pack of 5. I won't lie, I thought I had ordered 2 because I like to have even numbers, but I didn't. So I've already added another set to my cart, because I really want to make sure that I have equal numbers. So here they are in the tray. They have like a nice back to them. I don't know if you can see that. It is quite flat. Come on, camera. So I think they'll sit on the nail well. And that gold and pearl detail is just stunning. And because of the color, they'll go with like anything. Move that if it'll focus, but it's just gorgeous. Like, oh, I love these so much. Add like a few more pearl details, just stunning. Oh, I love these. Okay, so those are the flowers. The next thing I picked up are these really pale but multicolored flowers that come in multiple sizes, and these are luminescent, so they do glow in the dark. As you see here, the colors are beautiful, and you get 3 different sizes. So you get the larger size, and then a medium, and then a small. But as you can see, they're really, really pretty. I don't know if you can like see the detail in the camera, but I'm really impressed, and they do glow. So you have this like darker pink, lighter pink, green, blue, clear, and then of course when I poured them out, I didn't get all the colors, but you also get that yellow as well. Really, really pretty. Let's just take a look at what they look like on the nails. Oh, I really like those. They'll be really beautiful in the spring. They fit fairly good on the nail, fairly flush. So yeah, those are those. Next, I picked up these Lollipops. I was thinking Easter and also Halloween. Like if you wanted to do a really fun, light, kind of like trick-or-treating set, these would be really, really cute. And they're like the perfect size, and they look just like lollipops. I'm really impressed, and I'm like super impressed with the variety. Like you get lots of different colors. I was like really worried when I looked at the description that they'd end up all being the same, but the variety is awesome. So here they are pulled out on the tray. We have a white one, a green one, a blue one, a brown one, two different colors of pink, this like orangey one. But I think that, ooh, those are stuck together. I think that this multicolored one, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on. There we go. This multicolored one is so pretty. Oops. Let's stick it on a nail. Oh, I think that would be so cool. Like in a kawaii or like a candy set. Oh, I love that. They're actually a lot nicer than I thought they would be. Next, we have this big tray with a variety of different things. I'm going to take it out of the plastic just so it's easier to see, and I'll pull out a couple of each in the tray. Okay, so this is a little bit easier to see, but as you can see, you get 3 different styles of bows, and then you get 2 different styles of bears, and then you get these really pretty flowers and these pearls in multiple colors. So I did go ahead and pull out the bigger charms. The bears are freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, and they're also iridescent. So pretty. Then you get like more of this traditional like bow tie bow. And then this bow, which is more of like a gift bow. You get this really pretty flower. And then this is like really strange looking to me. I guess it's a bow. Let's put a couple of these on the nail and see. I won't lie, these bears, like, oh my gosh, so cute. And the flower. And the bow. Oh, I'm super impressed with these. I won't lie, I was super disappointed when I first saw them in the container they came in, but now that I've pulled them out, I really like them. And then there's this like strange bow thing. They sit really well on the nail though, and they have a really beautiful shine. I can imagine in sunlight they would like shine really, really well. All right, the next ones I picked up 2 packages of because I was just, when I saw the listing, I was so excited for these. So they're iridescent butterflies, but I do believe, like you can kind of see there, they are on springs, so the wings should move. So let's pull these out and take a look at them. So you get 8 butterflies in total, and it appears that all of them are slightly different. So some of them are iridescent, and then some of them have that glitter and are also iridescent. I'm glad I picked up 2 packages. So here they are. I just picked up 3. This is one of those glittered ones, and then these are just the iridescent ones. And if you can like, I guess it's kind of hard to tell, but if I hold this and I can like, do you see the wings move? So they're on like, I don't know if this will focus, as my camera is super annoying, but I don't know if you can see the spring. It's connecting the wings, but they move. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I can't wait for spring. They sit really well on the nail, and that's just stunning to me. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oops, there it goes. The back side is kind of curved, if you can see that. So it does kind of hug the nail. Oops, really well. Let's see here if I can. Oh, those are gorgeous. So excited. All right, the last 2 things of charms I got are Halloween themed. The first ones are these like really pretty spiders. They're not your traditional colors. They're really, really soft. So I'll pull these out and we can take a look. So they come in 6 colors. You get like a clear iridescent, a pink iridescent, this like really funky gold. You get a purple glitter, a blue glitter, and a yellow glitter. So I pulled 3 out to take a little bit closer look. I really like this gold one. I think it's like super kind of spooky. And then this is what the glitter one looks like. And then that is kind of what the iridescent one looks like. They're super cute. Really, really like these. So let's take a look at them on a nail. I'm almost like the gold one's almost my favorite. It's so pretty. I'm really impressed with these. Again, they're a nice size for the nail. Oh yeah, those would look like really cool and like kind of like a pink blue Halloween look. Really impressed. Okay, so I have one more set of Halloween charms and then we'll get to organizing. And the final set of nail charms I picked up in this haul are bats. They come in blue, white, red, and black. And then we also get some of these black and red pearls. So I'll take them out and we'll take a closer look. So I wanted to show you quickly before I show you the bats. These, I thought they were pearls, but they're actually balls. So I think you could possibly kind of do like a caviar bead look on your nail with these. But yeah, they're like full balls. They're not flat back. All right, so I pulled out one of each of the little bats. These are so freaking adorable. I don't know if you can tell, I'm not like into like super scary Halloween stuff. I'm more of like a cute Halloween stuff. So as you can tell by the charms I picked up, they're not like super scary or super realistic. But these are just so adorable. I love them. Like if you did some like nail art where you painted your own bat and then added a couple of these as like that 3D effect, yeah, I think they would like look bomb. Okay, let's just take a look, put them on the nail as usual. So we have the blue and the red and the black. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. And again, they sit really flush. These are awesome. I'm really happy with these and the spiders, I must say. All right, I'm going to pull out my new organizer and then we're going to organize these charms together. So I hauled this organizer in the first half of the SHEIN haul. I just thought I'd show it quickly again. It has these cute little individual pots that all fit really, really nicely into this big kind of closed container. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 20 little pots, and I'm really excited to basically take all my charms out of these silly little packages and these annoying Ziploc bags and these little pots that just are everywhere and really hard to organize, and put them in a place where I can easily get at them all. So I'm going to speed this up, but I just thought you could enjoy me putting all of this away, and then you can take a look at what it looks like at the end. I always love watching organizational videos, so I thought you guys might like to enjoy it as well. Okay, we'll get started. there is box 1, which isn't quite full. And then this is box 2, which is already full. I think I'm going to pick up a couple more of these. I was really impressed with how much they held. I was able to split up some colors of some of the, like the lollipop charms and the flower charms. These are my hearts that turn pink. I have my butterflies and then my pearls. So I'm really impressed with this. Yeah, I'm really impressed. I will be picking up a couple of more of these, and I think it's just amazing. So literally, that's how much space it takes up, and in the matter of like 10 seconds, I can see what I have, grab it out, and I don't have to like dig through the mess that is. All of this into this is just so much nicer. So I'm really happy with that. I haven't put these beads anywhere yet, but I'll probably find another little thing to keep them in. I didn't want to use one of these things for that. Anyway, thank you so much for coming along on this organization journey with me. Again, like I said, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. SHEIN has amazing products, and you can't beat their prices. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would really mean the world to me. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, so the quicker we get there, the quicker we can get that gift out to one of my YouTube family members. I've already started collecting some goodies to put in there, and I'd really like to go before Christmas. That's like my goal, fingers crossed. So honestly, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Bye!